Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix weak mobile signal on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone and let's say that I have weak mobile signal and I'm going to boost it. And the first method you can try guys, you can activate your airplane mode. You can go to your quick setting panel and tap on this airplane mode. Okay, and you need to wait for about 30 seconds or 1 minute, and after that you're going to turn it off. Okay, and the second method you can try guys, you can turn off your SIM card. You can go to your settings and then go to the connection setting. Okay, and then you are going to go to the SIM manager, and here you will be able to turn off your SIM card. You can choose the SIM card which has weak signal. So let's say that I'm going to boost my SIM2 signal. So I'm just going to turn off my SIM2. Okay, click on turn off. And after that, you can turn it on again like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix weak mobile signal on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will work on your Android mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.